Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this, well, this is great is what this is. It's a 1969 Mustang Mach 1 numbers matching car. This is the original paint, which is candy apple red, T5 candy apple red for you kids playing along at home. This is a repainted hood, however, but that's okay. Factory red oxide floors, factory paint markings, factory interior with black high-back vinyl bucket seats, factory air conditioning, full-size spare tire with original jack, center console, power steering, power brakes with front disc. This has got a Deluxe Marti Report, and it's got the original owner's manual. We believe it to be 23,000 original miles.
Yes.
Jake, how about that?
Says it right there.
That's a lot.
Yeah, original paint other than the hood is pretty incredible.
Yep.
For the 1960s.
Very, very well. Oh, wow. Look at that. Would you look at it?
Oh,
I know you love that.
My last car from the 1980s didn't even have original paint.
No, it did not.
Very nice. Doors open and close, fantastic. As does the trunk. And you got the awesome gold Mach 1 striping.
Pictures? You want me to open it?
You can open it.
Yay!
It's got hood pins, so it's going to take them a second.
It's got hood pins, ladies and gentlemen.
Everything is very, very nice on this whole thing. All the wood paneling on the dash and the door panels. Very nice seats. Front and back. Rear seats as well. They're not the ones that fold down though. Got some newer speakers up there maybe. Very nice. Cranky windows. They're not mad at you.
No, they're not.
Just got to crank them up and down. Again, the Mach 1 stripes are awesome. Beautiful wheels with the polyglass Goodyear tires. And there's your 351. Factory AC. Compressors right over there. Really, really nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Ready
I love this car.
Start it up and go?
Let's do it.
Headlights, very nice. Oh, there's the blinker, they're under the bumper. And there's the other one, very nice. Brights were working. Look how that gold shimmers in the sunlight. Sounds really good. Oh, hello. Doors pop open so nicely.
Don't they though?
We have our seat belts up here on the roof, but we do have lap belts down here, don't we?
We do.
If I can find it. Oh, they're clipped into the middle here.
Isn't that something? It's got its own little spot.
That is something.
It's got a spot.
It's not nothing. And then these are retractable. These ones on the side. Very nice. I'm belted.
The kid's belted, ladies and gentlemen.
Very good. I am belted. And we have a clock over here. That's working.
I know.
It's ticking.
Takes a look and it keeps on ticking. That's Timex.
Is that their logo?
That
or
was
their
their little thing
motto?
In the 70s. It
slogan?
Was.
That's the word I'm looking for.
It was a slogan. It was a motto. It was a mantra.
Let's see. We got a nice Mustang radio here in the middle. Looks like just AM, I think.
Yeah.
And then we got the air controls down here with air conditioning.
Isn't that something?
Which we don't need today because it's a cool 55 degrees-ish.
Well, dude, it was 70 earlier, which is crazy.
It's cool, but it's January 6th in Missouri.
Okay.
January 6th in Missouri. It should be about -10, but you know, I'll take it. It's nice out. That's why we got to finally get this car out and drive it. I didn't want to drive it when it was -10.
Not an original car.
Not because it won't do it, but because I didn't want to.
Not in the rain or the salt. Oh,
yeah.
Detail to murder us.
They would have murdered us.
We don't need to be murdered.
Nice and clean out.
So beautiful out.
Warm.
Oh, I love the 351.
Automatic shifts nice and firm up the hill.
Oh, sure it
Not
does.
sloppy at all. If that's the original mileage, then that's pretty incredible. 23,000 and something.
And change.
And change.
It's so nice.
Handle's nice around the roundabout. Yeah, look how nice the interior is. The dashboard is just great. Got the big wood rim steering wheel over there with the Mustang in the middle. All your gauges are working.
Gotta love that.
Automatic shifter right down here with more wood paneling. We're getting into the age of wood paneling.
Oh, it just began, and then it just didn't stop until the early 80s. Thank goodness it did.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Got very nice back seats as well for real people. Not the most leg room ever, but if you have children or grandchildren, you could definitely put them back there. Very nice. Visors aren't droopy.
Nice. No.
Headliner's great.
It's a very well cared for adult-owned car.
Yeah. And again, original numbers matching equipment and mostly original paint.
Mostly.
So we're not going to be tearing this thing up today.
No.
Doing burnouts and such. I might do one flyby.
Just one. One should do it.
One should do it, but it's just
I
a really
just want to
good,
hear it.
It's a good cruiser, especially with the automatic.
Absolutely.
It does sound good.
It does. And it drives very comfortable. I mean, it's really nice.
And it's got the awesome Mach 1 hood scoop. So you got the blinker lights inside of there. Oh, and they work.
Yeah, they do.
Very nice.
They do work. I love the hood pins. I just love the way the car looks.
Oh, this is one of the smoothest rolling windows I've ever felt.
I don't think this car's been apart. So that's the nice thing. It's all original and it was never beat up on. Some child didn't own it, wrecking it. An adult owned it. They took care of it and loved it. As well they should have. It's a candy apple red Mustang.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Oh, it drives nice.
Looks like they put some newer speakers maybe in the door panels.
Yeah.
And on the parcel shelf.
Oh.
If you want to call it that back there.
Look at him.
This actually looks like it might be. It is. It's one of those digital updated radios.
They lied to us.
So it is FM.
No static at all.
No static at all. I don't know what song this is.
It's funky and fresh.
I don't want to get copyright struck, but it is. It's the Mustang looking radio. It fooled me.
Fooled us all. And we
but
see
it's
these every day.
Digital with the FM and the newer buttons and stuff. That's really nice.
I don't think they used the word mode back then.
It probably has a Bluetooth on it too then.
It's my guess. But it fooled us.
It fooled me. It certainly fooled you.
Well, wow.
You're one of the most gullible people I know.
How dare you?
Yeah, right now this is listed for what? $91,995.
Right.
For a very original 69 Mach 1. Not bad at all.
Nope.
Not bad at all.
Not at all. Boy, I like the way it drives.
Like I said, it's a little cruiser. Engine's smooth. Feels very nice. Still got the Goodyear poly glasses on there.
Gotta love those.
It completes the look for sure. They're probably not going to ride as well as newer style radials.
This completes me.
But it's not going to look as cool if you put newer radials on it either.
No. Do the original stuff, it looks cooler. Especially something this nice.
Well, if you have the numbers matching engine and transmission and original paint, you probably want to keep it looking as original as possible.
Keep it together.
And with the original AC,
yeah,
that's
so
insane.
Cool. They just really took care of this car. I like an adult-owned vehicle.
Yes. Don't buy anything I've owned. I'll ruin it. But this guy, he's old.
And I take care of my stuff.
They keep stuff nice.
188,000 miles in my beautiful Honda Accord. It runs like a top.
Very nice.
Love that car.
We'll wait for the semi-truck to make a turn in front of us. He's making it very wide.
That's what he should.
As he should. All right, here we go. Not going to be much of a bean test.
No, I'm not beating up on this car.
Yeah, we don't want to rag on it, but it's a Mach 1. It's got beans.
No, it does.
Oh, it's torquey.
It's a little torquey. Just needs to run. It needs to be free.
It needs to be wild and free, like a Mustang.
Exactly. Wow, good one, Jay. Oh, I love this car.
You know, it tracks in a pretty straight line for having those tires on it.
It really does.
His hands are off the wheel. It's going straight. We do have disc brakes.
You do in
at
front.
least in the front. I don't think we have them in the back. Are they power?
They are power.
They are
yeah,
power.
no, it's power brakes for sure and power steering.
Very nice.
It's wonderful.
So you can ride in comfort.
It really is a nice, great-looking car.
Very good. Steering seems good too.
Oh, it's buttery. You're going to use the word buttery, and I think you should.
I'm going to use the word buttery.
It's buttery smooth.
All right, I'm going to do one flyby going this way, I think.
I think that's plenty.
And I'll pull in.
I'm going to stand in the middle, and then we'll go.
Exactly. Keep going back.
Take your microphone. Look at the dual exhaust. Oh, would you look at it? Sounds good. Sounds like originality. One flyby because it's all it needs. Well, Jake, here he comes in a candy apple red 69 Mach 1 Mustang. Oh, very iconic look. Talk about a great second gen Mustang. First gen was nice, second gen, way, way better. Beauty. Is it the loudest thing in the world? No. Is it one of the most original things? Yes. It looks good, doesn't it?
You know, from in here, it doesn't sound very loud.
It's not that loud. It just isn't. I think they have original, not the original mufflers, but
probably
mufflers
factory exhaust,
factory,
though.
right? And they're very, it's subdued.
You know what one word is to describe it, though?
Oh, tell me.
Buttery.
I knew you would. It was perfectly
I had to
buttery.
use it. But yeah, the paint's immaculate for how old it is.
Absolutely.
And it's all numbers matching. This thing's great. Interior is almost perfect. It's pristine in here. Plus, you got the nice newer radio with speakers. Works really well. You can't beat it. It's great for cruising. Especially on a day like this where it's like 60 degrees.
Perfect day.
It's perfect. You ready to go back?
Let's do it.